India is blessed with a great tropical climate. The climate bears a variety of fruit and vegetables distinct in taste from anywhere in the world. Sought after in the world market, India is the second largest fruit and fruit-based product exporter in the world. In the world of processed fruits and vegetables export, an Indian company enjoys a very large slice of success. Allana Sons Private Limited, a name that reflects quality which is truly world-class. The Allana Group has evolved into one of the world's leading producers and exporters of high-quality aseptic and frozen fruit products. Our products are very well accepted in global markets as high-quality ingredients to the multi-fruit-based industries such as beverages, dairy, confectionery, yogurt, baby food, and many more. Allana has served these exquisite flavors of mango pulp to millions of people for many years. The irresistible pulpy fruit wields a certain magic that makes you want to delve deep into it. Allana Sons processes its mango pulps, purees and concentrates in aseptic and frozen forms in two state-of-the-art US FDA registered facilities at Aurangabad near Mumbai, Western India, and Zahirabad near Hyderabad, Southern India. The Aurangabad produce is mostly of the Alfonso and Kesar variety, while the Zahirabad produce is mostly of the Totapuri variety. Allana's Aurangabad plant is spread across 140 acres of land. We will take you through a mango-licious journey. The super quality mangoes are sourced directly from the famous mango orchards of Valsad and Ratnagiri. Agronomists from Allana continuously invest in educating the farmers about the most sustainable agricultural practices. In the first stage, the mangoes are ripened in both natural conditions as well as in ripening chambers. We have about 20 ethylene concentration ripening chambers which have the capacity of up to 150 tons each to ensure that only the excellent quality of mangoes goes to the production line. They are resorted by a highly skilled workforce. In the beginning of the aseptic process, the mangoes are sent through a 5-stage washing with chlorinated water and fresh water. After this, a highly trained workforce does the fruit slicing and tip cutting on a conveyor belt. The sliced mangoes once again go through the manual sorting. Hereon, the entire process is automated. With the help of a specially designed de-stoner machine, seeds are separated out and super clear pulp gets collected in the pulp refiner machine. Here, the unwanted fibers and peels are automatically removed with utmost precision. Further, the pulp is preheated in the tube and tube heat exchangers at 64 degrees to facilitate the pulp extraction. The pulp then passes through decanters to remove any unnecessary particles or extraneous matter. These decanters are high-precision equipment that work on the principle of separation by centrifugal action based on density difference. If required, the pulp is standardized. It goes to the aseptic sterilizer. The aseptic sterilizer is the heart of the process that guarantees product safety by a combination of various sub-processes like heating, holding, cooling and chilling. This process is fully PLC controlled and all parameters are standardized and validated in line with applicable regulations and sound scientific basis. As it is meant for human consumption, the samples are definitely examined at every stage in the lab by qualified food technologists and scientists. In another method of pulp manufacturing, which is frozen pulp, almost all the procedures are the same, from ripening to sorting, to washing to de-stoning and standardization. The difference between aseptic and frozen process is the sterilization and pasteurization. At this stage, the pulp is pasteurized at 90 degrees and then chilled between 8 to 10 degrees or between -2 and +2 degrees. It is then filled depending on the application and pack size. After the process is completed, the pulp goes for customized packaging. Allana uses only the best-in-class equipment and food contact materials like the FBR Elpo sterilizer and the Guglio make aseptic bags, both of which are made in Italy and are leaders in their respective technologies. The Aurangabad plant has a state-of-the-art warehouse with a storage capacity of 10,000 metric tons, equivalent to about 550 containers. There is an equal capacity in our Zahirabad plant. Given the scale of operations, Allana takes special efforts for conservation and effluent treatment. It is etched in the values of the Allana Group to always give back to the environment. Trees and plantations are spread into the vast landscape of Allana facilities, which strike the balance between profitability and sustainability, reflecting our organization's vision and mission. Today, Allana Sons Private Limited is amongst the largest net foreign exchange earners in India. We continue to grow with each passing day in our effort to cater to an ever-increasing demand. We at Allana make sure that the customer is getting the best that they want and when they want.